What's going on? It's your boy, Mr.WrightChoice. Yes, it's been a little while, but this title that you just read is real. It's true. Buying a home with zero down. Let's talk about it. We're back, and this title is no clickbait. This is real deal information that I wanted to give to you guys because me and my wife have actually did this particular loan. Now, this loan that I'm talking about is not your typical loan that you see when you hear people say that, I purchased a home with no money down. Not your VA loan, which is normally for veterans, or USDA, which is buying a property in a rural area somewhere you live. And the other option would be doing down payment assistance. Down payment assistance is good depending on the situation, but everybody knows how the market is. With the home prices a little higher than normal, and also with the rates fluctuating higher, down payment assistance has its pros and cons. Now, this particular loan that I'm talking about is a conventional loan, 100%, that this particular bank that we use, if you qualify for, allows you to purchase a home with no money down. Yes, no money down, and you also get the capability to take advantage of 100% financing with the current market interest rates, depending on what the rates is at the time that you inquire about it and you're able to lock it in or whatnot. I want to go too in depth about that, but the reason I want to talk about this is with home prices being so high, rates are being so crazy, and a lot of people are strapped for cash. This is a great opportunity for you, depending on what your credit score is, to get qualified for this particular loan for you to purchase a home with zero money down. This basically goes off your not your interest rate, I'm sorry. It basically goes off your credit score. Depending on what your credit is, I will let you know if you qualify for 100% and also let you know what interest rate that you can do. During the time that you inquire or get qualified to purchase a home. Now, the difference between this particular loan and a VA loan is normally for veterans that has served in the military, that allows them to purchase a home. The other one is USDA. Them are typically hard because you are set in a parameter of how much money you make and how many people live in a home, and they calculate all the parameters with all them people. The other one is down payment assistance. Down payment assistance, okay, but the problem with down payment assistance is 9 times out of 10 you have a higher rate, more than market value, even with good credit, and also your debt to income, your ratios are different too as well. What you qualify for with down payment assistance, depending on what lender you use or what programs they have. That's why I feel that it's very important that you shop around to like 2 or 3 lenders, because every lender has different products that may fit your needs or what you're looking for. Now, this particular loan that I'm talking about, that's 100%, that you get this, market value, whatever the interest rate is right now. This lender is a great lender. Like I said, me and my wife have used this lender. We purchased our home, and it was a great feeling to close on a home, and at the closing table, they're giving you money back. Yes, me and my wife got our money back for the money we put down on our home, and we got it back at closing just because we was able to get qualified with this lender to get 100% financing with market value interest rate. So we got a really good interest rate, and they was able to lock us in. I'm not mistaken, it was probably, I think, a 65-day lock. Don't quote me on that. I can't remember because we had to get it extended a little longer. We was blessed to able to have that situation for us, but everybody's case is different. But I believe they go to like 65 days to lock in your rate. We bought new construction, so a lot of people, when you purchase new construction, you have to utilize their lender, and a lot of in-house lenders don't have the programs like they used to before pre-COVID. So, me and my wife went the route to using an outside lender to buy new construction, and they had the 100% program. Yes, I had to come out of pocket to pay closing costs, but mostly everybody have to pay closing costs or you have to negotiate it with the seller to pay some of your closing costs or all your closing costs. It just really depends on the situation. But this particular loan allows you to buy a home with zero down, and you get the luxury, if you get your closing costs paid, to get money back at the closing table. So, like I said, this video was no clickbait at all. This is a true story that me and my wife have lived, and also I have used other buyers using the same lender to help them out purchase a home. They have other products besides this 100% program. They have a 105 program. They even have a medical program for people that's in the medical field. They have the 100% program with no mortgage insurance. And I'll do a video on that to give you all the details about that particular loan too as well, because I had a buyer that's a travel nurse that she closed on her home using the same lender buying a new construction home. So I'm not going to keep on rambling talking about this so much, but if you feel like this may be an option for you to purchase a home and you want to inquire about it, please read the description below. There'll be a link. Click on that link, and I will get your information to talk to you and then connect you with the lender to get you pre-approved to find your dream home. So I'm Mr. Right Choice, and I will catch you on the other side. So please click on that link below, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.